sometimes something happens that could happen, but has a completely unknown cause. When two things happen next to each other, potential correlation, but not a cause. That's what my next year scenario is going about, called The Unexpected. Something happens to us that changes us forever. But what is it really? I don't know exactly when this will be released because due to changes to the VSCC program I used a long time, I can't install it for free and I don't want to pay for it either. So I have to retake everything in Shotcut again. So anyway, I hope to see you next time. Bye.